Need to remove a password, PIN, or pattern from your Android phone? This video covers how to turn off your screen lock. Remember that removing your screen lock reduces your device's security. Make sure to understand the risks before proceeding. We'll cover the safest and most common methods first. The safest way to remove your Android screen lock is through the phone's built-in settings. This method requires you to remember your current PIN, password, or pattern, and it's completely secure since it's the official Android approach. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. You can usually find it in your app drawer or by swiping down the notification panel and tapping the gear icon. Next, scroll down and tap on Security or Privacy and Security depending on your Android version. This menu contains all your device's security options. Then, select Screen Lock or Screen Lock Type. You'll see the current lock method displayed, such as PIN, password, or pattern. You'll need to enter your current screen lock credentials to proceed. This security step prevents unauthorized changes to your lock settings. Finally, choose None for no screen lock or Swipe for a basic unlock method. Confirm your choice and your screen lock will be disabled. Remember, this is the safest and easiest method when you remember your current screen lock credentials. If you've forgotten your PIN, password, or pattern, you can reset it using your linked Google account. After several incorrect attempts on the lock screen, you'll see a Forgot Pattern, PIN, Password option. Tap it and sign in with your Google account credentials. This will allow you to create a new screen lock, provided your device is connected to the internet and linked to a Google account. If you cannot remember your screen lock and the Google account method doesn't work, a factory reset is the last resort. This will erase all data on your device, including photos, videos, and apps, so back up first if possible. To perform a factory reset, enter recovery mode by pressing the power and volume down buttons simultaneously while the device is off. From the recovery menu, select Factory Reset and confirm the action. After the reset completes, you can set up your device from scratch without a screen lock. For technically inclined users, ADB offers a way to potentially bypass screen locks. ADB stands for Android Debug Bridge, a tool that allows communication between your Android device and a computer. This method requires USB debugging to be enabled on your device and ADB tools installed on your computer. Connect your device to your computer and use ADB commands like ADB shell lock settings clear -old, followed by your old password to attempt to clear the lock. This method is complex and may not work on all devices, especially those with enhanced security features like newer Android versions. Third-party unlock tools may seem like a quick solution, but they come with significant risks. Many of these tools require rooting your device, which voids your warranty and opens your phone to security vulnerabilities. Additionally, some tools contain malware that can compromise your personal data. It's generally not recommended to use them unless you've exhausted all safer options and fully understand the dangers involved. Removing your screen lock makes your device vulnerable if lost or stolen. Consider using smart lock features available on newer Android versions, which automatically unlock your device in trusted locations or when connected to trusted devices. If you do choose to remove the lock, regularly back up your data to prevent loss in case of theft or damage. Think carefully about whether the convenience is worth the security trade-off. Keep your Android device updated to the latest version. Newer versions often include improved security features and better methods for recovering forgotten passwords. Consider using biometric locks like fingerprint or face unlock, which are generally more secure than pins or patterns and offer convenient alternatives. As of 2026, biometrics are the preferred lock method for most users due to their security and ease of use.